Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to another video for Lemoncraft. Here I'll be making a mail card. This card is made out of a Christmas collection by Lemoncraft called Christmas Carols, and it's beautiful collections with dark papers. I couldn't decide which one I want to use, so I thought about creating a patchwork background for my card. As you can see, I have chosen 3 different papers, cut them in 3 different size rectangles, and I will stick them together to create 14 by 14 centimeters square, as my card is 14.5 by 14.5 centimeter. And these are different sizes, different colors, and I thought I'd try something different. So off the camera I have added machine stitches to my layer, and also I want to add some texture. I'm using modeling paste and a stencil, and I really like that pattern. I think it's good for a mail card. So here I'm quickly drying it with the heat gun, but you can also leave it to dry on its own. I have chosen also tags which are available in Lemoncraft store. All the products will be listed below the video, and I like those tags because they are really dark and vintage. And as you can see, I have chosen the tag with a vintage car. I will be using few more products for my card, but this card will not be embellished as much as usually my cards are. I think I'm not going to use any flowers, but instead of that I've got few interesting embellishments. So I have few chipboard elements, I have string, and also I found a tiny metal ruler, and die cut few leaves and printed out the sentiment. The font I used is quite big and chunky, and I think more suitable for a card for a man. So I'll be creating my composition now. We'll turn the music on for you, and I will talk to you at the end of the video. finishing my card, I also wanted to tell you that following the same steps and using almost the same products, I made a very similar card, happy birthday card, which you can see at the end of the video. I hope you liked the video and thank you so much for watching. I invite you to visit Lemoncraft blog and subscribe to Lemoncraft YouTube channel, as I will have my videos regular here. Have a lovely creative day and see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.